Good morning. This is Thursday. I am officially 64 today, and I got a doctor's appointment, so there goes the day. But I have a little project I think I can get done. This having to put your key in here every time you get gas. You know, you usually have gloves on, so you got to take your gloves off, and when your hands are sweaty, it's hard to get your gloves off. So I'm going to replace that key with this. This is a push button, and just push that, and this is the hinge, and this has a little bit of a spring to it, so when you push this button, the lid pops up a little bit so you can get your finger under it and open it. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and then I'm gonna get on my, it's still real early, it's dark 30, but about 8 o'clock I'm gonna get on my lawnmower and try to get some of this grass mowed around here before the rain gets here. And then go take a shower, get ready to go to the doctor, waste another day at the doctor. All right, let me show you what I need. I think it's a Phillips screwdriver, but let me get that gas door open and I'll show you. Well, I gotta pull these, that looks like 1/4 inch, I'm gonna take them off. And while I'm at it, I want to clean this out in here. That's pretty dirty. All right, let me get probably a socket. No, there's not enough room for a socket. Maybe a straight blade. I'll try a straight blade. All right, I got that cleaned up. I don't know what all that was, just probably spilt gas and dust. So now I'm gonna go with shaky hands, trying to get them 2 little tiny screws back on that bracket right here. Here we go. But first, we gotta get this old one off and put the new one on. It is sure hard to do anything with a hand shaking like this. I just don't get it, why they started and when it'll end. Here's a new one. That's going to be so much more convenient. Many years ago, 2006 as a matter of fact, I bought my very first Ultra Electroglide Ultra Classic. And you know what? This is not quite, yeah, it is, okay. And that was the first thing I did, was put that push button. Okay, now I got to get up there and I forget how this goes now. So that went like that, so this goes like that. And what it is, these little tabs here add some spring to it, so when you push the button, it lifts the door up a little bit. Alrighty, let's get you turned around. I'll see if I can let you watch me, my shaky hands, try to get them 2 little tiny screws in there. Well, my hands are probably going to be in the way, but I'll do the best I can. I can try not to drop stuff. Did I just move you? Okay, you're good. All right. All right, get it. I got one in. Alrighty, got the second one in. Now I'm going to pull the gas cap off so I have room for my little tiny socket here. Don't drop the socket down the gas hole. All right. Hallelujah. Didn't break nothing, didn't drop any screws. Okay, one little project done. I'm going to show you what my next project is, but I'm not going to do it right now because there's not enough time. So let me sit down and we'll roll around here. You can see how cloudy this is in here. It's really bad. These are bad too. You really won't notice it until I get them cleaned up. And there's a way you can take these apart. You can't get the glass separated from the reflector, but you can take the light bulb out and pour a little alcohol in here, just a little bit, and stuff a rag down in it. And then you take like the end of a wooden spoon, and I mean, you got to take the whole thing out. So that's another project I'm going to do very, very shortly here. And actually the next project I'm going to do, probably take a couple hours, get all the bulbs out, and alrighty. So that's it for this one. I'm fixing to jump on. Let me see. It probably is not. It's still dark 30, and I'm gonna wait till 8 exactly before I get on more. We're expecting rain, and I really want to get this property here mowed before the rain comes because it hasn't been mowed in a while, and it's getting really tall, and the taller it gets, the harder it is to mow. So, alrighty, next project. We'll see you soon. And I got a knife I'm working on. I may get on that Friday. Have a good Thursday. Friday. Have a good Friday. Okay. That was a big job. I still got that. It's just too wet to mow down there. I'll get stuck. So it'll probably be June or July before I can get down there and mow. But project 2 done today. Now, I'm gonna go in here and a friend of mine has some knives he wanted me to sharpen for a friend of his. So I'm fixing to go in there and do that now, and then go take a shower and get to the bar. Halfway there. All right, I got both sides cleaned up. I mean, it's still got polish and compound on it, but looking pretty good. Now, I'm fixing to put a wicked edge on it and go clean this up, put some butcher's wax on it, and that one will be done. I got one more I'm gonna do today, and probably a couple more on Friday, but let me get this done. I'll go to the other shop and clean it up and show you what it looks like. All right. I got a fingerprint. Okay, I even polished the brass pins. All right, there's one. I gotta go get a shower and get ready to go. I thought I could get a little more done out here, but that's it for me today. Y'all have a good Friday.